In this video, I'll show you how to change cursor color on Windows 11. Let's get started. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. In the search bar, search mouse. And here go to mouse, pointer and touch. In mouse pointer style, go to the green one that says custom. Here are recommended colors, but you can choose another color if these ones are not the ones you're looking for. Here, once you choose the color that you want, click Done. As you can see, the color is now changed. And this is how you can change cursor color on Windows. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.